In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear exhaust VVT solenoid on your Volvo XC90 located on the rear of the engine. Now once you have the rear hatch open, we're going to drop the lower section as well, swing this down. Now the battery is located underneath this rear cargo cover, so go ahead and lift this up. To make this easier for us to service this cover will drop down. There are simple little bands right here. We can undo these, release that, and pull this cover out and set that aside for now. Now with that lid up and removed, we now go ahead and access the battery underneath this plate. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove these two bolts and this one nut. Remove this cover. I'm going to pull up and remove the plastic cover here. Let's go ahead and loosen the nut here on the ground terminal. Using our 10mm socket on our ratchet, let's go ahead and loosen this nut. And go ahead and pull that terminal off. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover right here in the top center. It's just pressed on with rubber grommets onto some posts, so you're going to gently pull this up and off. Go ahead and set it aside. Now with our engine cover off, we're going to go ahead and locate the rear exhaust VVT solenoid, and it is over to the left-hand side and is right here. Let's go ahead and remove it. Now that we have the ground terminal disconnected on our battery, we want to go ahead and remove this connector right here. There's a little pinch tab. We're going to pinch and pull this connector off. With that disconnected, over on the other side is going to be a T30 Torx bit. We want to go ahead and loosen and remove. So we're going to use that Torx bit in our 1/4-inch ratchet and a little extension. And we're going to be reusing this screw, so don't lose it. There it is. Now with that screw removed, we can go ahead and grab that solenoid, and we're going to give it a twist and start to work its way up and out. Now there might be some residual oil in this here, but that's the unit right there. Now before we install the new component, I want to go ahead and clean that surface. Wipe away from the port any debris. You don't want that to fall down inside. All right, now we can go ahead and grab our new component and prepare that for installation. Now here's our new component, and there's a rubber O-ring right around the base. You want to make sure that that O-ring is there before installing a new component, otherwise you're just going to have oil spraying out on the sides. Simply line this up, lower it down into position. You can gently twist that as it goes in. Go ahead and grab your bolt. I want to start that by hand. And it's pretty easy to get your fingers in there. I'm going to spin that down as far as I can by hand. And then we'll go ahead and snug it down with our ratchet. So once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Just want that to be snug. And then go ahead and grab our connector on here, line that up, and we're going to push that on. And you're going to feel it and hear it engage. Now don't forget, if you happen to have a check engine light on due to this unit acting up, use the scan tool, properly clear that code. Then we'll go ahead and install our engine cover and go for a road test. Go ahead and grab the engine cover, line up the hole with the oil fill cap. It almost falls right into place, and then push it down. You're going to feel the rubber grommets popping into place. Go ahead and grab the ground terminal, pop that on, twist that, make sure it's down as far as it'll go. Let's go ahead and snug this down. And once it bottoms out, give it a good 1/4 turn, give it a little wiggle and make sure it's secured. Now at this point here, let's go ahead and install the plastic cover. Grab your metal plate, install the hardware, and let's go ahead and snug everything down. Install your cargo cover, grab the bands, pop these into place. Go ahead and lower that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.